Hi guys, Joey here. I'm back with this week's official minimalist home tour. I'll do a quick tour and then, get on with my off day. So without further ado, let's get started. So there's been some changes in my house and something annoying too. Look at that. It was like this when I moved in. I think maybe it's some kind of drainage problem in this apartment, but I do not want to look at that, but that's there. So, but anyway, let's start off with less annoying thing, like this pretty little number with the little seashells. Yeah, there's a lot of laundry drying in my apartment because my laundry machine's been acting weird, like it would not drain properly. So, yeah, there's like a little bit of laundry smell. I didn't want that, so that's actually like pretty nice that I have that. We'll move into my fridge. I've taken out some food trash, which I'm very happy about. The ice is still going. I need to really eat that ice. But clearly I drink most of my coffee and cold water and stuff at work, so that's that. Here's some shopping that I did. I'll show you what I cooked this morning. And then you can kind of see what I had. But yeah, some tofu, a little bit of spam. So this is like my fancy meal, home cooked meal at home. There's some strawberries. I've cleaned out my fridge a little bit too, which I'm very happy about. And down here, you can see this is so empty. Like this is the clothes that I would normally wear, but it's pretty much empty. You can tell, I don't know if you've been watching my channel, you know, like you cannot see my pink fluffy pants. I did not put them away. It actually got wet when my laundry machine flooded. So, yeah, I had to throw it away. It was getting too heavy. And then like, I made a whole video before this tour, which was just me getting annoyed and talking for like 9 minutes about how annoyed I was about the laundry. But that's a bit too much drama, I think. I can deal with that on my own. But yeah, this is some stuff that I'm going to take to work, some towels and stuff like that, dry towels. But I still have a bunch more down here that's drying. I have some heat on in my apartment so they can dry throughout the day. It's because my laundry machine's been giving me hell. More laundry here that's been drying. And down here is my bed setup. One other annoying thing is that my bed seam, it kind of broke. So this zipper broke and I cannot find the zip, so either I'll have to take it to like some kind of a seamstress to fix it, but knowing me, I'll probably just live with that because I'm too busy to deal with that. I'm gonna be so busy in March. Anyway, and my laundry machine has just been like, terrible. Like it won't open. You can see it's locked. I know I have to like drain the water, which will flood this place again. And I looked up this model like online, and people said it's awful. Like some people cannot even like wash more than like 2 towels at a time because like it will break down. Like I didn't know that. This is like, I mean, who knew I'd have such crappy washing machine as an option in an apartment? But anyway, we'll move over here. Another big change. I've taken out some trash. Another big change is that I've gotten rid of my wooden bowl because, you know, like it was getting wet and I was eating off of it and it was great, but then it started smelling too strong. Like, you know, like it smells like a forest sauna or something, and I did not really want to smell like nature when I'm trying to eat like, I don't know, rice. So yeah, it was getting like, the smell was getting actually a little bit too much. So I think that's something that you need to consider before you buy like wood products. Like if you keep them wet, like if you use them a lot, sometimes they will eventually like smell quite strong, depending on what type of wood that is, and I did not like that at all. It felt like I'm eating like perfume alongside of my food, which is not great. So I'm using this container that I've taken from work as my bowl from now on, which I think is great. I'll show you my my table setup and you'll see how I'm utilizing all of that. So this would be my nice little home cooked table. This one has a bunch of rice in it because I actually cooked these first in a frying pan, and then with the little bit of broccoli and stuff left, I just put in this little bit of mixed brown rice. I guess it's like a healthier, slightly more expensive version of packaged rice, but I cooked the rice in it with a little bit of water, and I could always use the original container for the packaged rice as a rice bowl. Otherwise, I have a nice lid for this container, which I could have put some rice on there as well, but since I have this, I don't need to. And this little container would fit in nicely inside this bigger plastic container, and that could also serve as like a side dish. Right now it's holding my seaweed, and the lid for that, of course, I could put strawberries on there, and then there's like some sauce that I can use on my food. I just got the sriracha sauce last night. I'm really happy about that, and actually brought my Starbucks tumbler home to drink a lot of water and things like that, because at work I've got a mug. And bon appetit! Over here, nothing much. So some rice packets and some seaweed. For me, seaweed is more of a snack, so even in my spending record for my minimalist finance, I would still count them as snacks and not really anything else. Like seaweed are just snacks for me. I do eat it with rice, but you know, it's not a necessity. So anyway, down here, just yeah, more stuff. some of my shoes, my sneakers got wet, which is another annoying thing. But anyways, that's about that, and we'll move into my bathroom real quick. Ta-da! So my bathroom, I need to drain that is also clogged, so I need to get like a drainage cleaner, but I did clean like the drain top, and then once I declog that, I'll scrub the floors a little bit, because you can see like the little bit of pink mold. Ew. Ew. Anyway, over here, just some more products. This is actually a little bit of shampoo left over from work. I actually ordered like a better shampoo for my customers, so I'm just using up the little bit that's left of the cheaper shampoo there. And my face foam cleanser right there. And over here, I've organized this somewhat. Like, these are the products that I use a lot because I think it's like a very nice height for me to reach in and out. This is like a water tissue. Some more floss. I actually ran out of the floss, but then like the dentist people, they came to my shop again and gave these to me for free again. They're saying like, oh, if your customers are looking for a dentist, you can, you know, introduce us. I was like, yeah, no problem, whatever. And I also got this, like, I got a new clear toothbrush. I haven't used it, so I used the old one this morning. I'm very happy. My mom gave me this. Remember how I was telling you guys how much like the simple, like, the fact that I have this like pretty simple like toothbrush makes me happy. I don't know if she saw that, but she gave me a bunch of these. It's actually like a lot, like all of them are like different color, but I like the clear ones the best. So I kept the rest at work. So I guess I have more stuff. I'm not that much of a minimalist, I guess. But anyway, and this toothpaste, I actually got 3 of these for less than $3, and it's more, it's like 120 grams, which is more than the 100-gram toothpaste that I had. The pink one, I actually used it up to the last drop. I only bought these because I didn't, you know, I was getting kind of annoyed at the fact that I keep having to go shopping. There's also like my time wasted, I guess. But these were on sale when I went to the mart where I usually go to buy groceries, and then they were like, yeah, they were cheap, so I was like very happy. I think I'm going to go there from now on to buy, because I think 3 is like a good number of products to buy at a time, so that's that. Here's some like skin ampoule that my mom gave me, so I would use that first, and then I'll use a little bit more oily lotion on top. Some makeup, and this lipstick is obviously what you saw in my intro today. Very, very strong color. Yeah, that would be my bathroom tour, and I'll just do an outro. Hey guys, so that was my minimalist home tour. I hope you guys liked it. If you liked it, please like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys next week. Bye! Need coffee.